Good day, guys. This is a Dodge Charger 2015 till 2021 or 22 carbon fiber parts. This one is called classic carbon fiber 2x2 twill, and that's some rear spats. A closer view here. That's like extensions for the rear diffuser. This is a forged pattern, forged carbon fiber. Okay, so it goes like packages. Rear diffuser, that's the rear diffuser. Rear spats together with diffuser. This is a high kick trunk tailgate spoiler. So when it is on the car, it's a little bit like this. So underneath, it's fully in carbon as well. Okay. You can fix it with the bolts or just the silicone. Okay, that's the forged pattern. So it goes also a front lip spoiler. It goes snorkels as well. Okay, so you have, I can say like 7 items. Diffuser, 2 rear spats, trunk spoiler, front lip, and snorkels. Okay, guys. We are filming right now in-house, in the warehouse. So when you come on the street, actually it goes like awesome reflection. You know, the reflection, it shows like proper pattern. Even now under the normal lighting, it already shows reflection is really awesome, guys. Okay. Guys, that's another stock, just classic carbon fiber weave. That's rear diffusers. We have plenty in stock, maybe like 5-6 sets. Also we have trunk spoilers. Okay, that's a high kick spoilers. Both side carbon fiber, even underneath. Front lip spoilers. You can see it's all around carbon fiber. Even on the inner edges. Edges over here. Okay, here you can see more closer. So from the inside, so it's a real carbon fiber, guys. It's not sticker or some water transfer or something like that. That's a real carbon fiber. And currently we have stock ready. And extensions for the rear diffusers, we can sell them separate as well. We have about 15 pairs, 15 sets.